Hey, Doug, Brandon Greene here at Sarchione Ford in Randolph, Ohio, coming to you live with this 2017 Chevy Colorado crew cab, four-wheel drive with the Duramax 2.8 liter diesel. Just want to send you a quick video. The truck's awesome. I hope you'll see it in this video. Thank you. So we have this 2017 Chevy Colorado Z71 package with the 2.8 liter Duramax turbo diesel. The truck is in excellent condition with only 25,000 miles. It's barely broken in and still has plenty of factory warranty left. Chevy's warranty is 3-year 36 on the bumper to bumper, 5-year 60 on the powertrain. It does have a spray and bed liner, which is awesome, and it's factory, as you can see the Chevy symbol. Crew cab with full 4 doors. Interior is a two-tone gray with like a leather fabric combo. You do have a rear sliding window, power windows, power locks, keyless entry, automatic transmission. You have heated seats, Bluetooth audio, touchscreen with backup camera. The truck's in awesome condition and 4-wheel drive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Brandon Greene, 330-510-9613. That is my cell, so you can reach me by text or phone anytime. I want to thank you for the opportunity to earn your business and trust. I look forward to hearing from you soon.